Children, we come to know that Mathilde was not at all happy with her life. All the things that another woman of her class would not have even noticed tormented her. Now, we all know that when people of the same class they come together, they have a common discussion. Generally, there is comparison between people, maybe related to materialistic world or related to career, something like that. But when two people of two different classes, maybe an upper class and a lower class, a rich and a poor, or a middle class, when it comes, the person may get an inferiority complex and get depressed. Here also, Mathilde, she used to get very much depressed, dejected, sad. Tormented her means tortured, distressed, anguished, causing great physical or mental pain, suffering, or harassment, and made her resentful. Resentful means having or showing a feeling of anger or displeasure about someone or something unfair. Method always used to think that Almighty has done something unfair to her. She dreamt of a grand palatial mansion. She dreamed. When we say we all have our own dreams. Similarly, Method, she had her own dream. What kind of dream? That is, she dreamed of a grand palatial mansion. Palatial means suitable to a palace, like a palace, or extremely large and spacious house. Mansion, a very large house. Palatial mansion. Now, this palatial mansion will be having vast rooms, and she even wanted to invite her friends in the afternoon so that she can chat with close friends in this smaller rooms in that mansion. This was her dream, this was her desire, this was her dream possession, which she hardly had. Yet she had no rich dresses, no jewels, nothing, and these were the only things she loved. Method loved all kind of materialistic things. She wanted so much to charm, to be envied, to be sought after. Now, perfumed means impregnated or scented with a sweet smelling substance. She wanted to charm means to please and attract somebody. For example, her drawings have charmed children all over the world. To be envied means to have envious feelings of jealousy. For example, this is common in school that her intelligence made her the envy of her classmates. It happens so even in school. If somebody is doing well, performing well, um, at that time other people they feel jealous. Instead of struggling hard to achieve a goal, they just keep a jealous attitude in their mind and keep on thinking all kind of negative thoughts, and this leads to unhappiness. She had a rich friend, a former schoolmate at the convent, whom she avoided visiting because afterwards she would weep with regret, despair, and misery. Now, children, over here, what happened is always she used to avoid her friend who was rich. Why? Because she always compared herself with her friend. You see, each one has got our own life. Nobody is born equal. We all know that five fingers of our palm of our hand they are also not equal, right? Each finger is different from the other. So we can't compare ourselves with others, we can't compare our life with others. But Method, as she used to compare herself with her friend who was rich, this made her very sad and she kept on avoiding her schoolmate because after visiting, she would weep with regret. Means feeling sad, repentant, or disappointed over something that one has done or failed to do. Method, she thought that she was a failure in life and she was sad because she was not rich. She didn't have good clothes to wear, good house to live, always compared with her friend and made herself sad. Despair means to lose all hope that something will happen. For example, we began to despair of ever finding somewhere to live. Misery means great unhappiness or suffering. Example, I couldn't bear to see her in such misery. Children, one evening her husband came home with an air of triumph. With an air of triumph? A phrase. Triumph means a great success or victory. He was so happy that he has achieved something great. The feeling of happiness and that you have because of this. Children, in your life also, in when the team or when any game is won by the team, it says the team returned home in triumph. That is to achieve success, to defeat somebody. So her husband, he was really happy. He came in holding a large envelope in his hand. Look, he said, here's something for you. Now her husband, he was so happy to show that envelope to his wife and just to express his feeling, it could reflect in his gesture. She tore open the paper and drew out a card on which was printed the words, the Minister of Education and Madame Georges Ahapanov means rampon is a wooden hammer with a wooden handle, the iron of which has two useful parts of elongated and narrow shape. Request the pleasure of Mr. and Madame Loisel's company at the ministry on the evening of Monday, January 18th. Instead of being delighted at as her husband had hoped, she threw the invitation on the table resentfully. Delighted means extremely pleased. She was delighted that she got the job. Over here, husband was delighted to carry the envelope. But was Method delighted? No, she wasn't. Okay, resentfully. Why did she do it? Do the action? Resentfully means doing or saying something in a bitter, angry way, especially when you feel you have been treated unfairly. Is to do it resentfully. And muttered. What did she say? Muttered means say something in a low or barely audible voice, especially in dissatisfaction or irritation. Here Method had got the chance to go to a party, enjoy her life, enjoy those moments, but instead of that, she just put it on the table. She was not at all happy. He hadn't thought of that. He stammered. Now, what did she mutter? What do you want me to do with that? And what do you expect me to wear if I go? He hadn't thought of that. He stammered. Children, let us continue in the next video the remaining part of the lesson.